How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply add a reference image in FreeCAD. So the first thing that you want to do is to just click on File, click Import, and then from here you want to simply find and click on the image that you want to use as a reference image. So in my case, I'm going to be using this one. And if you want to edit out your reference image, you could just go ahead and double click on it. From here, you could put it to something like the XZ plane, YZ plane, XY plane. You can put offset right here if you want to. And finally, you can also add a transparency option. And so that's going to be really it. Just go ahead and edit out the plain option, and then simply from here you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.